Hi all, this is Sampath. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show how to bring text from vendor master to purchase order header text. To bring vendor master text in purchase order automatically, first we will create new text ID for vendor master and link it with existing purchase order text ID. Okay, let's start. Go to SPRO to create vendor text ID. Click on SAP reference IMG. Select material management. Select purchasing here. Go to vendor master. Select define text type for purchase organization text. Just execute it. Click on create. Give the text ID. I'm giving Z001. Give description. Click on continue. Select relevant text checkbox. Save it. Continue. Come back. Now go to purchase order. To link vendor text ID to purchase order text ID. Okay, purchase order header text ID. Go here, select text for purchase orders. Here execute define copying rules for header text. Here select the header text. Double click on text linkages. Click on new entry. Select source object vendor master. Here select source text recently created one. If recently created source text not appeared here, please re-login. Now select purchase view text. Click on save. Click on continue. Come back. Now test it. Go to T code XK02. Enter your vendor. Enter purchase organization. Select purchasing data checkbox. Press enter. Go to extra. Select text here. Here enter the text for purchase view text. Okay, text in purchase view text. Okay, I'm just entering purchase order text. Click on continue. Click on save. Come back. Now create purchase order. To create purchase order, T code is ME21N. Enter the vendor 1000. Press enter key. Enter the organization details. Click on text. See here, text is appeared from the vendor master. If you don't want, you can delete it. Okay, now come back. Test few more cases. Go to again SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Go to material management. Select purchasing. Here go to purchase order. Go to text for purchase orders. Select define copying rules for header text. Select header text. Double click on text linkages. Here select a different fixing. Here this time I'm selecting this option. Okay, save it. Again come back, go to purchase order. To test it, go to ME21N, enter the vendor, enter the purchase organization, enter purchase company code and purchase group, press enter key, click on text tab. Yes, now it is telling text can be adapted for vendor master. By clicking on this adapt text, we can adapt. Yes, it's adapted. If we if you don't want, you can delete it. Okay, come back again, go to SPRO to test lost case. Select SAP reference IMG, scroll down, go to material management, select purchasing. Here select purchase order. Here select text for purchase orders. Execute the define copying rules for header text. Select header text. Double click on text linkages. This time select last option, N option. Okay. Save it. Continue. Come back. Come back. Okay. Go to purchase order. Enter your vendor. Enter purchase organization. Enter purchase group. Enter company code. Click on text tab. Yes, now it is in display mode. So here see, it is showing text displayed from vendor master. That's it, today tutorial. Thank you.